What's great now, heading into the busy season in 2021 is looking at all the resources and additional products we've been able to add over the past year, and the flexibility that us as a company with staff being able to work remotely as needed, being able to work with buyers and sellers, and a seller can be overseas and we can now sign them with RON, which is remote online notary. And that's actually something that's really starting to take off and has been a great additional tool that we can offer to our clients. Buyers closing with a lender still can't operate with RON, but it's a great option for sellers. And now that we're getting back into nice weather, being able to go to people and be able to sign outside and not have to go into their homes, we'll continue all of that. And we really look to each buyer and seller. How do we make this as smooth and convenient and safe for you? And it's worked really well the past year. We've had really very limited issues. We've been able to manage it and keep everybody safe. And the closings have just gone on, and they've gone on at record numbers. We're looking forward as a company to being able to get back to normal. A big part of our great culture and everybody having so much fun together is being able to get out of the office. It's not just working 8:30 to 5 and then leaving. It's being able to go do those company events, whether it's Indians game, Nautica Queen, Ohio State basketball games. We really look for great opportunities to get the staff out and get them together. We look for industry events. I can't wait for industry events again when we can get back out and see our clients and see our realtors and our brokers, and to be able to get our staff out to those events. Those are great relationship building. It's a whole lot different when there's a problem on a closing and the realtor on the other end of the phone with the escrow officer has never met or talked to him. When they've been at industry clam bake or golf outing and they have a relationship, there's a level of trust there and familiarity, and the problem isn't a problem anymore. Everybody works together to get it done. And that's been the biggest thing that's been difficult the past year. Well, I wouldn't say the biggest, but it's right there, is just putting on pause all that stuff that we do as a company and across offices and with our clients. That really is different than most other people in other companies within the industry. I think it truly is a fun, enjoyable environment at Ohio Real Title. Everybody treats each other really well, respects each other. We respect the clients, they respect us, and we try to do fun community building things. We have an end of the month lunch at every single office because that's our busy day. And so every month, and we have since we started the company, we enjoy the spirit days around the holidays, and it's more so the past year because people haven't been able to see each other. So being able to have that and have that sharing amongst the offices, it's much more than just, you're not just sitting at a desk 8:30 to 5. There is actual fun. We do as a company and as a team, really do enjoy doing things together. Recruiting wise, and when we're looking at candidates to add, is they're afraid of coming with us and joining the large company and just being a number. And I understand that from the outside, but that's not the way we operate as a company. And when we look to add somebody, we do so for the long term. We don't look at it and bring somebody on that we don't think can be here in 6 months. That's not what we're about. We want to find the right people that fit our culture, we know will be adaptable, and that can stay with us. And it shows throughout our offices. And we have managers that started as escrow coordinators and escrow officers, and that have grown and have been with us 10, 15 years. So, that uneasiness of looking to join Ohio Real Title, and is there a space, and is it long-term? Everything we do is for the long term. So entering our 16th year, 16 years of growth, and now because of this amazing foundation we have, we're super excited about the next 15 to 16 years. I'm still young, most of our team, still going to be in this business for a long time. We're not going anywhere. Looking to expand into other markets is just because we have the base and we have the ability to. So to take, our model and our our mission and values and our joint venture model and all of it, and be able to expand into other markets to help grow the company is going to be super exciting. It's going to lead to more and more opportunities for our existing staff, because it 5 years ago looks different than it does now, and in another 5 years and 10 years we're just going to keep growing and evolving.